Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all fine. So today we are back again with a new video, and today is a cooking video, by the way, so hopefully you also enjoy it. Yeah, so today we are making a marble cake. As you can see, all my ingredients here, so come along with me guys until the very end. Yeah, so today we are making a marble cake. We have our eggs here, we have blue band, margarine, milk, sugar, wheat flour, and all other ingredients, baking flour. Yeah, so guys, come along with me as we do this. So, and oh, by the way guys, this will be my very first time using an electric pressure cooker for baking, because I usually use an oven, so I'm just trying out to use a pressure cooker, and let's see how it comes out. Hopefully I don't waste my time. Hopefully it's great. Yeah, so yeah guys, let's go. So first things first, let's get our bowl right here. Then we are going to first mix sugar with this right here. So let me put in the sugar and this thing. So here we are, this is my sugar. Then let's put in our margarine, blue band, that's enough guys. So we are going to mix this mixture until the sugar dissolves in. So next step, let's put in our eggs. I'm using only 3 eggs for this, so let me beat my eggs right here. Yeah, so what you have to do next is you keep adding in this mixture that we have, the sugar and the blue band. You add little by little as you mix. This is what I mean. Yes, you mix so fast and much harder. Add more. So let's keep adding until the eggs are over. So far so good guys, we have sugar, margarine and the eggs right in here right now. So I'm still mixing it so well and good. So hapa ndo tulipofikia kwa sasa. Nimemix sukari, blue band na mayai. So najaribu kufanya faster as you can see, so that isitengeneze kama vile maziwa yaliyoharibika. So you have to mix it so fast as you can see right here. Guys, comment down below, do you think I should be using Swahili instead of English? Because I've had people telling me so. I need your advice. Maybe I should turn into Swahili instead of English. I don't know. So mniambie guys. Me, I'm okay with anything. I just think using English is like much more better because you can reach more people. Not everyone knows Swahili, but I'll listen to you guys, so advise me. Yeah, acha tutengeneze keki yetu leo, marble cake. Hii inaitwa marble cake because naenda kuweka rangi tofauti. I have orange, green and maroon, so it's just a mixture of colors. I think it's done. Let me add my next ingredient. So what's next here? Let me see. We are putting in the flour. You just have to make sure it's not a must, but it's useful to sift your flour before putting in. Uichuje. Yeah. So that's why I have my right here. I'm going to use it to sift my flour. Yeah, I'll use that flour, all of it. Then 1 teaspoon of baking flour. This is my baking powder. Let me use this. So I'll have to add in milk. This milk is warm. Then I have my flavor right here. I'm using vanilla flavor. So I'll have to add in also. And yeah, let's keep mixing again. Acha to mix mpaka iwe soft and consistent. Yeah. So guys, I've also added some little hot water. This is hot water. So just to make it more liquid. I don't want it to be so hard. So let's continue mixing and mixing and mixing. I'll get back to you when I'm ready. So guys, I'm done. This is our final mixture. As you can see, camera woman, come here. This is my final mixture. So this is ready for baking. Let me go and do the baking, then I'll come back to you and show you the very final results. So yeah, guys, keep along until the end of the video. Oh, actually my final ingredients are these colors. I have to mix in the colors. Yeah, I think that's the only thing remaining. So thank you for watching up to this very point actually. So guys, the next thing is I have separated my dough right here. So I want to put in my colors. So yeah, I have orange, I have maroon, I have green. Then some of it will just remain like this color. So I'll have 4 different colors. This 3 of these, then the rest, the last one will just remain like this. So yeah, and that's my, I'll be cooking it from this electric pressure cooker. They have this button of baking a cake. It's right here, so I'll just have to press it. Yeah, and let's see how it comes out, because just like I told you in the beginning, I've never used it for baking. So I just want to see how good it does, and hopefully our cake comes out perfectly, because wow, oh, I wouldn't wish to have wasted all my time and the expense of making this then just to get spoiled. So yeah, today is so sunny, and yep, let me mix in the colors and I'll show you. So far these are the colors that I've mixed. We have green and yellow. Then this one I'll first have to reduce it, some of it put it in there, and then the rest I'll mix this color. So let's first, I'll have to first oil the pan inside there with the margarine, so that the cake doesn't stick on the pan, right? So let's do it. So that's the pan I'm talking about. I'll have to smear it with the margarine on the top, so that when it's baking, the cake doesn't stick on the pan. Yes, so that's what I'm trying to do right now, and we shall continue. So that's how it is. I've smeared it so perfectly. So right here I've put in the white dough, as you can see. Now let's put in the green one. Just do it randomly. So guys, finally this is my mixture. We have the white dough, the green dough, the yellow dough, and the maroon or red. I think it's maroon. So this is our marble cake. Let me try to, yes. I'm trying to make a flower. I don't know if, you can see how well it has come out. So guys, wait for the final product. So let me go and bake the cake, and give me some minutes. Yeah, and it will be done. So wait for the final product. Keep watching and subscribe guys if you haven't. Like the video, comment down below what you think. First thing first guys, tell me if you would wish me to use Swahili or keep using English. So it's upon you. You can advise me on that. So finally guys, this is our final product. Actually guys, the pressure cooker wasn't so perfect for me, so I had to switch to an oven, because baking a cake in a pressure cooker was automatically set to be only 18 minutes. So after the 18 minutes, when I checked, it wasn't even ready as yet, and when I added more minutes, it was warning me like something inside is burning up. So I had no option, so I just had to change to an oven. So for me, the pressure cooker didn't work for me as much. So anyways, this is my final product. Let's put it on the plate and see how it is.
3, 2, 1.
So this is it. Baking a cake in a pressure cooker was a total fail for me. Just look at how the cake was burnt. It was burning up and yet it wasn't ready. So let's cut it and see how it looks. This is it. This is the marble cake. So guys, this is it. This is my marble cake, which was somehow a fail because of using a pressure cooker. Yeah, but it's still good. As you can see, it's still good, but it's not what I had expected before. So yeah, this is my marble cake and I congratulate myself for this. Yeah, marble cake. Let me test it and see. Guys, it's actually nice. It's nice, but one thing, do not go for a pressure cooker unless you're used to it. For me, it was a fail. I could not use it. My cake got burnt, and it did not come out as I expected, but still, it's nice. So anyways guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching up to the very end. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and share. Who's that? And also share. So bye.